Hi, this is Paul Kovac from Zen Promotional. Today we'd like to show you our new range of COVID-19 medical response and quarantine patches. We have come up with these patches in response to the COVID-19 virus to support government bodies, defence, military and other task force for identification purposes. These patches are available in either iron-on, sew-on or Velcro hooks backing, with accompanying Velcro wool for uniform if required. Our standard sizes are 75mm by 50mm, 80mm by 50mm and 75mm by 55mm. These patches are made of 100% polyester with a nylon Velcro backing and a 100% polyester merrowed border. They are extremely tough and are dye-sublimated, which means that the print will not fade under high temperature washing up to 90°C, and they should be able to be sterilised and washed using heavy surfactants without losing the print quality. We can either make them with a standard print on all patches, or we can also add individual name, rank and position details on each patch to identify staff members at an additional charge. The best thing about these patches is we can manufacture these and ship to anywhere in the world within 2 to 5 working days. If you have any inquiries, please email sales@zenpromotional.com.au or contact us through our website, which is www.zenpromotional.com.au, or phone us on the contact details on our website during normal business hours, Australian Eastern Standard Time. Thank you.